In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products and services in Wave accounting. If you sell anything, whether it's a physical product, a digital download, or your time, setting it up properly in Wave makes invoicing faster and your records cleaner. We'll walk through adding a new item from start to finish, and I'll point out a few tips to help you stay organized as you go. First, open Wave accounting and log into your account. Once you're signed in, head to the sidebar and click Sales and Payments. From there, select Products and Services. This is your central list of everything you sell or buy, and it's where you create new entries and manage existing ones. To add something new, click Add a Product or Service. This opens a form where you'll enter the details your customers and books will rely on. Start with the name. Keep it short and clear, something you'll recognize quickly on an invoice or bill. Next, add a description. This can include what's included, key specs, or a brief summary of the service. A concise description helps avoid back and forth with customers and provides context right on the invoice. Now enter the price. This is the default amount that will autofill when you add the item to an invoice or a bill. If your pricing varies, don't worry, you can always adjust the amount on individual invoices or bills later. Still, entering your typical price here saves time and keeps your billing consistent. Next, choose how the item will be used. Turn on Sell This if you plan to add the item to customer invoices. Turn on Buy This if you use the item on bills, like when you purchase materials or subcontracted services. You can enable one or both depending on how your business operates. If you charge sales tax, select the appropriate tax from the options provided. If the item isn't taxable or your situation doesn't require tax, you can leave this blank. Applying the correct tax here helps ensure accuracy, so you don't have to remember it every time you create an invoice. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your new product or service is now part of your Wave accounting setup. You'll see it appear in your products and services list, and it will be ready to use the next time you create an invoice or enter a bill. This small bit of setup can save you a lot of clicks later and helps keep your records accurate and consistent. Thanks for watching.